We were, I don't know, probably 20 miles out of Hudson, and it was like 30 degrees, misting, and all of a sudden the temperature dropped and roads seemed fine. I didn't think nothing of it. And here I'm coming up on a cop. He's got his just hazards on, just tooling down the side of the interstate. And I'm like, what the fuck is this guy doing?
The cop had his hazards on?
Just the caution lights or whatever,
yeah.
which I was fairly new to driving at this time. And I'm like, why the fuck would he be doing that? Obviously caution lights. Maybe you should slow down or something. Nope. Keep your foot in it, keep going, right? So I come around a corner and there's fucking two other semis sets. One right in the middle of the interstate on the dotted line. I can't remember what company it was. And then there was another one and they're kind of cockeyed, just sitting there stopped. I'm like, oh fuck. So I kind of tap my brakes and I'm like, oh, that's weird. There's nothing happening. So I kind of hit it a little bit harder, nothing happened, and fucking slam them on, nothing happened. I'm probably like a quarter mile at this time from them, and it's glare fucking ice, and I'm sliding. And I look in my rear or my side mirror.
Were you keeping it straight this whole time?
I was just gonna say, looking in my side mirror, and my fucking trailers are doing this number. And I'm like trying to modulate the Johnny bar on the side, which is basically just trailer brakes only, so that it like kind of drags that and straightens me out. And that's helping, but then it's like, second I let off, the fucking thing starts doing the zigzag. It's like a harmonica coming down the fucking road. I was like, what the fuck? I'm going to kill somebody in about 5 seconds.
And yourself.
Yeah, and I end up sliding between the Jersey barrier and the truck on in the middle of the deal.